Mahilig ka ba sa lechon? Nakakain ka na ba ng rabbit? Tara, samahan nyo kami dito sa Angeles, Pampanga. Andito nga pala kami sa Rabbit Chon. Pangalan pa lang, alam na. Kakain tayo ng lechon rabbit. Opo, lechon rabbit nga po. Bago sa karamihan at bago rin sa amin. Panoorin natin kung paano nga ba ang proseso ng paglilechon nito. Pasintabi po sa mga ayaw makapanood ng mga ganito. Pasensya na po kayo. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara na, kain tayo.
Merk? No? Sino mo? Si Merk?
Kailangan pa ko ng party? Kailangan.
Oops. Matulog tayo. Matulog tayo, diba?
Actually po, kasi ang dami. Ano po, toyo. Tapos pero yung spicy nyo naman kasi, sakto lang sa chan dito lang sa kayo.
Oo. Sige, sige. Okay yun. Yeah, I think this is not much, but this is more harder to do like that. Ito nga yung baba.
Kaso lang, ngayon po,
cut the head to make sure that it's properly cooked. Okay? Make sure there's no blood. Okay. You can see there's no more blood. A little bit pinkish. I'll turn it off so that you can see. Here, when I slice it there should be juice. Because if you like that, there's no juice, that means it's overcooked. Yeah? It has to be juicy here. And then a little bit pinkish liquid is okay. That means it's like medium well. Uy. Uy. The flies, they want to eat. Stuffed with a lot of chili and green onion. Guys, they really want some. Oh, sorry. Here. Every part different taste. Oh, they're not the same taste. Different texture also.
Parang kumain takoyaki eh. Kaso.
Do you sell this by kilo?
We have some they just want to taste. That's why we make small amount of 250.
Yes. So all lean meat. Wow.
But you can see it's really
Yes.
mostly meat. Very lean.
Dapat pag-bang din.
Iba talaga, no?
Mabitso talaga.
Biscuit taste, no?
Oo.
Ang gulo.
Manok na ano. Si baboy. Uy. Uyay! Beer.
Mata natin yung rabbit short.
Thank you, sir.
Kaya natin na sili.
This is fire. Woo! It's good. It's good.
Yeah, it's good. Apa?
We'll give you 4 years. That's only for the men sauce.
Yeah. But it's good. It triggers your appetite.
Yeah. Really does.
Yeah. Really good, really good.
Yan, ganyan nga. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Oh.
Maanghang nga.